Dumpster rental service in Littleton, Massachusetts. If you're in Littleton, Massachusetts, and need reliable dumpster rental services, Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal is your go-to solution. Offering prompt and affordable dumpster rentals, we make waste disposal simple for both residential and commercial customers. Whether you're planning a home renovation, cleaning out a garage, or managing a construction site, we have a wide range of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. At Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we provide personalized service to ensure you get the right dumpster for your specific requirements. We pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction and offer convenient, flexible scheduling to accommodate your timeline. Our dumpsters are perfect for various types of waste, including household junk, construction debris, yard waste, and more. We ensure efficient delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste management. Call Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal at 978-635-4226 today to schedule your dumpster rental in Littleton, Massachusetts. With competitive rates and dependable service, we make waste disposal hassle-free and efficient. Let us help you keep your space clean and organized while you tackle your next project.